When I say I was nervous, I was nervous. Hi guys, hello, hola, konnichiwa, wagwan, my fam, what's up, what's popping, everybody alright? In this video, I'll show you my first testimony in Japanese. Oh my gosh! So of course I said, Minasan, ohayo gozaimasu before I started. Okay. Alright, listen to wagwan. Yeah. I use Google Translate to write the message and I read it. But you know what? They understood. Woo! I'm officially bilingual. I'm officially bilingual. I don't care what you want to say. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is me, funny, always making joke with my Ari fam. Hey, join the Ari family. What are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it that you will never miss a post. I'm a Jamaican living in Japan and I do vlogs about my Japanese lifestyle. So if you're interested in that, welcome. And to all my ongoing subscribers and supporters, thank you, my Ari fam. Let's get into the video. So yeah, I even forgot to tell you that, Japanese was rushing up to the front and the Indonesian guy who usually translate the messages for me was just heading to assist, and pastor was trying to indicate to them. I'm like, girl, got this, I got this. I'll do it. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself and I'm gonna practice more. 今年の最後の日曜日にここに来られて嬉しいです。多くのアメリカ人がここにいて、教会に行く機会がありません。多くの外国人は時々悲しきと孤独を感じるので、私の美しい家族との交わりは祝福です。愛と優しさをありがとうございます。Yeah, so let me translate for you guys. I said, I'm happy to be here on this last Sunday of the year. Many Jamaicans are here and have no opportunity to go to church. Many foreigners feel sad and lonely sometimes. So it's a blessing to fellowship with you, my beautiful family. Thank you very much for your love and kindness. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much. Haha. Tell me, how did I do? Leave a comment. I'm at Okonomiyaki restaurant for the first time. So Mickey made okonomiyaki for me, but I've never been to the restaurant to see it officially. So let's see.
エビまだこっちで一旦こっち。はい。
豚玉、エビ玉、エビそば。
はい。
Technique, special technique.
スペシャルテクニックって言って動画撮ってもらってるんで。
Trained, well trained to do it.
初めてなんですけど。
初めてです。よろしくお願いします。
Put the camera on the mirror.
キャベツの切り方をね。
So that's cabbage, pork, mayonnaise,
ああ、いや、お願いします。
I understood noodles, but I didn't know that's what it's like.
You can choose. This is no noodle and this is noodle, so you can choose.
Okay.
このままは
はい。
Dried fish.
Dry fish.
Wow, the heat has them dancing.
Yes.
Yeah, dancing.
What's it called?
No, fish.
What is it called in Japanese?
あー、カツオ。
Katsu.
カツオイズ魚の名前。
はい。はい。
Split now.
これが、パンチミ。
カツオはね。
The sauce. Mayonnaise. Japanese food is so interesting.
はい、ありがとうございます。Now you can eat.
Oh, we can eat now. Okay. Let's do it. See how you cut it. Put on the camera and go cut mine. Should be so hot on the inside.
Very hot.
Okay.
Maybe you burn your phone.
Oh. Okay. It's hot. I don't know how to eat it. Maybe a smaller piece. It's hard to eat.
Maybe. So I give this one so
The small one. Sure. Yeah, we can share. Maybe I can't even eat this off. It looks like a lot. Mmm. Very nice. Mmm. Oishi.